next time you bring that earlier old one. Huh? Because I think sound here, I saw in the video, it was sound was different. Om. Are you able to hear me? Okay. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Ksharasamamnaya Digamya Maheshwarat Krishnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Vagartha Vivasam Proktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaro. I think we had completed the shlokas. Dukhi Dukkha Pashet. Now translate the following into Sanskrit. The italicized portion should be rendered by samasas. Men whose minds are pure never waver in doing their duty. So, Nikhilesh, what is the meaning? Or have you done? कस्मिन् आचरणे स्वधर्माचरणे ब्रह्म विचलन्ति इज बेटर. शुद्ध मानसः it would be, or शुद्ध मनसः. शुद्ध manasa is better. Manasa also is okay. Shuddha Manasaha. Shuddha Manasa is a plural. You have got Manaha, no? It should be plural. Shuddha Manasaha. Shuddha Chittaha also is simple one. Shuddhantah Karanaha. Shuddha Manasaha. All possible. All right. Shuddha Manasaha. Swadharmacharane चरणे कदापि न विचलन्ति. ओके, स्वधर्माचरणे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. हाँ, तनया सेकंड.
The story of Rama and Sita. Our teacher, Asmakam Adhyapakah, a man of great scholarship, Mahavyutpattihi, had explained to us Asmabhyam Vyakarot, the story of Rama and Sita, Rama Sitayoho Katham.
So full sentence in Anvaya.
Asmakam Mahavyutpattihi Adhyapakah.
अस्माकम आचार्यः is better. आचार्यः और अध्यापक both are correct. अध्यापकः सॉरी अस्माकं महा since they have given this meaning we are doing okay otherwise Mahavidwan also you can say okay आचार्यः अध्यापकः
अस्मभ्यं रामसीतयोः कथां व्याकरोत्
हाँ व्याकरोत् और व्याख्यातवान और व्याचक्षौ लिट्लकारा since he has got has explained so I think व्याख्यातवान और अव्याख्याता I think व्याख्यातवान व्याख्यात हाँ क्या धातु and व्याख्यात लंग लकारा can use व्याख्यात alright अस्माकं महाव्युत्पत्तिः और महाविद्वान आचार्यः अस्मभ्यं रामसीतयोः कथां व्याकरोत् व्याख्यातवान और व्याख्यात and here also we can make samasa Rama Sita Katham also we can do all right next
बहवः जनाः अल्पसाधनाः सुखेन शौर्येण च अजीवन् अम्रियन्त च
सुखेन
शौर्येण च
आजीवन ओके
अजीवन् अम्रियन्त
अम्रियन्त why amriyanta not amriyan yes correct please tell me again
बहवः जनाः अल्पसाधनाः
what is that scant means okay बहवः जनाः अल्पसाधनाः
सुखेन शौर्येण च अजीवन् अम्रियन्त च समासा इज अल्पसाधनः
अल्पसाधन
अल्पं साधनं येषां ते
okay let's we can hear sukha shaurya abhyam also we can say both possible next
those words are meaningless
guileless guileless means they are innocent what you have written
ते बालाः निष्कुटिलताः
निष्कुटिल निर्व्याजः better word is निर्व्याजः ते बालाः निर्व्याजाः और अव्याज also what you have written निष्कुटिलताः akutila but that will be karmadhara means tatpurusha it will be not karmadhara then tatpurusha akutilaha you can say akutilaha or nishkutilataha we have to say generally nishkautilyaha okay next
Pleasure and pain of the soul can support all adversities. The तस्मै सुखम सुखद
हैं?
तस्मै
तस-
दोस्तु हुम
those to whom? हाँ,
कस्मै
तस्मै कस्मै those to whom?
ते तस्मै ते
कस्मै ते? No. Okay, next.
same sentence
This same sentence.
Samasukha dukkhaha, those to whom pleasure and pain are the same. Samasukha dukkhaha can support all adversities. Sarvaha apadaha, all adversities.
आपदः
Apadaha datum shaknuvanti.
धर्तुं धारयितुं धर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. Okay, that also is possible. Can support, yes. Or dharayeran, you can use vidiling also. Okay. Ye, we have to say, whom, no, that we have to use this. Ye sama dukkha sukhaha te sarvaha vipadaha or apadaha, both are fine. Dharayeran, saheran, सहेयुः और धर्तुं सहितुं शक्नुवन्ति. प्लूरल. व्हाट यू आर इट शक्नुवन्ति? हाँ, करेक्ट. ये सम दुःख सुखाः ते सर्वाः विपदः धारयेरन और धर्तुम और सहितुम शक्नुवन्ति. हाँ, नेक्स्ट अनुराधा.
Ram created sage together with his pupils, lives in a forest in which there are many wild beasts. So first we tell the Samasa.
No, you tell me simple translation.
Sashishyaihi dirghashmashru munihi
Sasishyaihi.
Sashishyaihi
Sasishyaihi or what? What you are saying? Okay, please let me hear. Okay, please tell me.
Sashishyaihi dirghashmashru munihi बहु क्रूर पशु वने वसति.
बहु क्रूर पशु.
वने वसति.
Okay, little bit change required. Correct, 90% correct. दीर्घ श्मश्रुः, sorry, दीर्घ श्मश्रुः, दीर्घ श्मश्रुः मुनिः और ऋषिः. सशिष्यः, not सशिष्यैः. सशिष्यः or we have to say शिष्यैः सह. I think he expects us to do samasa. Yeah, then we have to this only. Sashishyaihi. This we cannot do. Sashishyah vanya bahu vanya बहुवन्य पशु और मृगा. बहुवन्य मृगे वने वसति. दीर्घश्मश्रुः मुनिः सशिष्यः. Which samasa सशिष्यः? Which बहुव्रीहि? हाँ, सह बहुव्रीहि. सशिष्यः बहुवन्य मृगे और बहुवन्य पशु वने वसति. Generally, for wild there is a word vanya, vanya pashu. That krura is a meaning for cruel. Here wild is that cruel different. So vanya pashu. All right. So dirghashmashru munihi sashishyah बहुवन्य पशु और बहुवन्य मृगे वने वसति. ओके, नेक्स्ट. बहुवन्य पशु मधुनी. आई थिंक बहुवन्य मृगे. हाँ, पशु इट विल बी नॉट पशु. बहुवन्य पशुनी है. इज पशु है. Is ukaranta, no? It will be like madhuni. Bahu vanya pashuni vane. It will be not pashu. Because vana is a neuter gender. So this pashu also should be neuter gender. So pashu it should not be. Pashuni. It will be neuter gender. Pashuni. Madhu, madhuni. So madhu is a saptami is a Madhu Saptami is a Madhu, 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 Madhuni, Madhuni, I think Madhuni, Madhuni, yeah, so I hope I remember correctly. If Saptami will be Madhuni, okay. So Pashuni, so or safe is this Bahu Vanya Mruge. This is better. Vasati. Okay, whose turn it is? Yes. Yes.
Danartinaha vrittim praptum prayatnam prayuhu.
Danarthinaha vrittim
Praptam
prayatnam.
prayatnam prayuhu.
Correct. Or yateyuhu, yateran, sorry. That also is possible. Yateran or kuryu, this to make it as literal as possible. So here we can use the relative correlative pronoun also. Ye danarthinaha te, or simply we can say danarthinaha. Ye danarthinaha te, or simply danarthinaha. Ye danarthinaha te, danarthinaha vrittim praptum, aptum praptum, both praptum labdum, prayatnam kuryuhu. Okay. Kuryuhu and Atmanipadi will be Kuruvantu. Kuruvantu. So Atmanipadi lot lakara, Kuruvantu. Here Danarthinaha which samasa? Karan which samasa? It can be upapada also. Dhanam arthayitum shilam yeshante. That also. Upapada also and shashti dhanasya arthi. Okay, both ways. Nalini, you have done next.
Father whose mind was perturbed with grief refuses to persecute his enemies. So I don't know if the samas is right. I did like this. Mama shoka pidita manaha pita.
Mama shoka
Shoka pidita manaha pita tasya shatrum vyavahartum apakarot.
vyahartum
Apakarot.
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 Apakarot. Okay. Okay, so little bit this mind we have to rearrange. Karan, what we have done? My father who's हाँ
तस्य शत्रुन् व्याहर्तुम् अपाकरोत्
व्याहर्तुम और
व्यहर्तुम् अपाकरोत्
व्याहर्तुम और है व्याहर्तुम
विपूर्व अहर्तु
है
विपूर्व अहर्तु
व्याघातुम और it should be what was that I had written somewhere दंडयितुम व्याहर्तुम sorry व्याहर्तुम correct व्याहर्तुम और हाँ अपाकरोत् ओके व्याहर्तुम हाँ they have given V Purvak Aru Dhatu, prosecute, no? I think they have given. Huh? I think they have given. Vyavahartum, yeah, to deal with or to prosecute. Actually, Vyavahartum has got the meaning more dealing. Prosecuting is an extended meaning, but that's why generally it is not used. Okay, that's why I wrote Dandayitum. Okay, so whose mind was puffed up with grief, Shokakula Manaha. Or here Akula or Vyakula also is okay. Vikshipta also okay. Shoka Vikshipta Manaha Mama Pita Swashatrun Dandayitum और व्याहर्तुम अपाकरोत् और प्रत्यादिशत निराकरोत् so many words can be used. Okay, प्रत्याकरोत् निराकरोत् etc. All right. Shokakula Manaha. What is the samasa? It's samasa? Huh? Correct. All of a sudden karma dharek. All right. Next. All right. The next sentence. Anybody last? Anybody at the end? Okay. Didn't do that. Huh? Okay. Next. You have done Tanaya or you are doing? Done, no? Okay.
Your word in which there is no truth, do not tally with the declaration of the witnesses.
Okay.
तव असत्याः शब्दाः साक्ष्याख्यानेन न संवदन्ति.
Correct. Shabda instead vachanani will be better. Tava asatya vachanani. Shabda also not wrong, okay? Asatya vachanani or shabdaha. Both are fine. Tava asatya vachanani sakshya kyanena na sakshya kyan na all right. Asatya vachanani what samasa? Okay. Bahuri. Okay. Next sentence.
यदा त्वं क्रुध्यसि तदा त्वं सिंहाभः यदा
यदा त्वं तदा
सिंहाभः
सिंहाभः. Okay.
यदा तव मनः शान्तः भवति तदा तव मुखं चन्द्रोज्ज्वलं भवति.
Okay. Correct. Yeah. Chandra Prabham, Chandrojwalam. Yada Tvam. What you written? Tvam?
त्वं क्रुध्यसि
Ah. Krudyasi, no?
क्रुध्यसि
Krudyasi. Ah. Or yada tvam kruddha also we can say. Yada tvam krudyasi or kruddha. Then tada. Tvam simhabha. Okay. Or they have asked us to do samasa for that. Yeah, look like a simhabha. Okay. Simha sannibha also. Simha sannibha. Simha sannibha also. Okay. Sannibha. Then
यदा तव मनः शान्तं
yada cha. Tava.
मनः शान्तं भवति
Your mind, huh? Tava manaha shantaha or shamyati. We can write both shamyati.
I had made a mistake. It would be shantam because mana is a
Oh, sorry, Santam. Oh, sorry. I also did not think. Yeah, Santam. Correct. Shantam. No, I did a mistake. I also did. Then what?
शाम्य भवति तदा तव मुखं चन्द्रोज्ज्वलं भवति
Chandrojwalam. Chandrojwalam, which samasa?
चन्द्रस्य इव उज्ज्वलं चन्द्रस्य इव उज्ज्वलं यस्मिन् I have not done the vigraha.
What samasa Tanya?
बहुव्रीहि
How?
चन्द्रस्य उज्ज्वलम् इव उज्ज्वलः.
So how Bauri it how it becomes?
चन्द्रस्य उज्ज्वलः इव उज्ज्वलः यस्य
Ujjvala means what?
brightness.
Ujjvala means brightness they have given? Ujjvala means bright itself. Where they have given? Ujjvala generally means bright. They have given Ujjvala as a brightness. Okay. Let me see. Ujjvala they have given in the Ujjvala itself is bright. Ujjvala. Ujjvala means bright only. So we should not be like that. So now how will it be?
It will be like one whose face is bright, the moon.
What samasa?
I have written
What samasa, Karan?
I have written Drashti Tatpuruષ.
What?
Chandrasya Ujjvala.
No. Chandrojwala, anybody who can tell me,
Chandra, because I have Simhasya, I have written. So similar, Chandrasya Ujjvalam
Chandrasya itself is wrong.
Chandraha iva ujjvala.
So which samasa it is? Karmada. So you went into a track. Once you go into track, then you forget that we are on the wrong track. So Chandra iva ujjvalam, Chandrojwalam. That's all. Okay. So Chandrojwalam, or if you want to have Bahuvrihi, Chandra Prabham. Chandra Prabham. Chandra Prabham means what? Which samasa? How? Huh? Chandrasya?
Chandrasya prabha iva prabha yasya.
Ah, correct. Chandrasya prabha iva prabha yasya. Yasya kasya? Mukham. Okay. Okay. So final sentence. Yada tvam krudyasi or kruddaha tada tvam simhabah or simhasannibah. यदा च तव मनः शांतम और शाम्यति तदा तव मुखम चंद्र प्रभम और चंद्रोज्वलम. हाँ.
I have not expounded that Simhabha.
सिंहाभः. हाँ.
Simhasya Abha.
इव आभा. इव आभा यस्य. Okay. All right. So now we have completed the 24th. So we are going to 25th. So I think have you been taught this Krut Pratyas in your class? Done, no? Krut Pratyaya in your class? All of them same people I am asking. You have done? Huh? Briefly. In your class, Krut Pratyaya that I think Ramchandra sir came and did. Huh. But he did Ka Pratyaya and all this? Must have done. Okay. Okay. Let me read. I will read. Primary suffix. Acha, what is the meaning of primary suffix? Suffix which are added to the root directly, they are called primary suffix. In Sanskrit they call Krut Pratyas. So for Krut Pratyaya, English word is primary suffix. What is secondary suffix? Huh? Ah. Taddita Pratyaya. I had given you the example. Ah, yes. So this is like a dosa. We are making dosa. To dough, whatever process we do become dosa. That krudanta are like dosa. Further you add, when word is already done, then you add further. Dasharatha is already done. Dasharatha is already Krut Pratyaya has come. Now to Dasharatha you add further masala. That's called Dasharathi. Okay, so is a Taddita Pratyaya. That also is going to come in this lesson itself. So primary suffix means Krut Pratyaya and secondary suffix means Taddita Pratyaya. Taddita Pratyaya means the suffix which are added to already ready-made words. So actually secondary suffixes are those which are added to the primary suffixed words. The words to which a primary suffix are already added. So primary suffixes are added to the roots and secondary suffixes are added to those which are already having primary suffix. That is called Taddita. That's why I told that Krudantas are like a dosa, simple dosa, and Tadditas are like masala dosa. So what is the Taddita Pratyaya will be like what? In example? Masala. Correct. Correct. Good. All right. Now, a few more primary suffix. He has already talked about it. Few more. In your class, this lesson, which lesson you have come? Huh? 8th lesson. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So you might not have done that. Okay. Ka. The Anubandh first is Ka Pratyaya. There are so many sutras on Ka Pratyaya. Ka is a primary suffix Krut Pratyaya, which is one sutra he gives Ikupadagna Prikiraha 3 I think 135 135 Ikupadagna Prikiraha. I think it is 135 there. So this ka pratyaya is added to the root in a particular situation when ig is upada, gna dhatu, pri dhatu, kir dhatu. And first he says, like I will give you the example. Jalam dadati iti jaladaha. Jala plus da dhatu, then this ka is added. Ato, ato upasarge, karmaniyan. So karmani upapade. One more sutra is 32003. There, ato upasarge. So by that sutra, ka pratyaya is added. And in that ka, what is remain is only a. And a will be dropped. So jala, the a will be added. There is a sutra for dropping a. What is that? Ato, what is that sutra which is ato lopa iticha. Ato lopa iticha. What is the number for that? 6464, I think. So by 6464, a will be dropped. Therefore, jalada. Jalada means giver of water. What is the giver of water? Cloud. Cloud is called giver of water. So akara lopa will take place and a will be added. So jalada. Alright, so here for us main important thing is that in akaranta dhatu, this ka pratyaya is added. And from this ka, kakara is it. All of you know what is it, no? So then what remains is a. And since kakara is it will be called what? Kit. And what is the karyam of kit? Guna nisheda, guna vriddhi nisheda. So therefore here guna nisheda will happen. Therefore jalada. Otherwise the guna would have happened. A would have been A. Alright. Of course here the lopa only has happened, but the karyam is that. Alright. So he says the anubandha ka debars guna. What is the sutra for that? Kiticha. How do you pronounce that? Niticha. Ngiticha. Kiticha. Ngiticha. Okay. So kakara is there. Ngiticha. Okay. So here jala, jalam dadati ka pratyaya is added. This suffix is added to roots ending in long a, and preceded by a noun, jalam, noun. In the locative case, in accusative case, jalam, accusative case, karmani. Okay, so jalam dadati. So all these all the conditions are fulfilled. You see, this suffix ka is added to the root which is ending in long a and preceded by a noun, karmani. Okay. In the accusative, it should be an accusative, karmani. Or in the locative before the root stha. For that is a sutra, supisthaha, 3204. Supistha. Supisthaha, sorry. There no 3204. So that says that sup is there preceding, then locative case before the root stha, then also this ka pratyaya is added. So grihe tishtati. Grihe is which vibhakti? Saptami. So that is what is said here. In the locative before the root stha, grihe tishtati. So griha plus tha. Which pratyaya will be added? Ka pratyaya. Ka. Become grihastha. Okay. By this ato lopa, a will be dropped. Abhijanati. Abhipurvaka gna dhatu. So here that igupada gna prikiraha is added. So abhigna plus ka abhignaha. Similar ni bhati is equal to ni bhakta nibaha. Light or appearance, nibaha. Nibaha means appearance or light also. Sutisthati, susthaha. Su plus tha, then susthaha. So all these are the example of ka pratyaya. Alright, next. Da pratyaya. So ka we studied, now da pratyaya. This suffix is added to the root jan, preceded by a preposition or a noun, and to the root gam, preceded by su, dus or a noun. Jana becomes jan and gam becomes ga. The sutra, main sutra is janer daha. Janer daha. I think it is 3 to 90 something is there. Janer daha. There? Janer daha sutra. Huh?
Saptamya Janerda, 97.
हाँ सप्तम्यम sorry हाँ या सप्तम्यम जनेरडाहा 3 to 90 97 oh अच्छा 94 in my it was there okay. So this suffix is related to the root preceded by a preposition or a noun. Upasarge cha sangnayam, another one also is there. 3 to 94 that 99. So by that jan dhatu will take da pratyaya. Da also will remain. Alright. And jan becomes ja. So he gives the example. Sarasi jayate. So saras plus jan dhatu. See, this krut pratyaya is added directly to the root. Even though when we are giving the vigraha, that time we say jayate. But to jayate, the pratyaya will not be added. I hope it is clear. Jayate pratyaya is not added. Pratyaya is always added to the root jan. Da. Da will remain. And therefore, sarojan. How saras becomes saro? Huh? Sasajashoho ruhu. Then hasicha. So rakara ru refa becomes o. U. Such a plus u become o. Sarojam. Saroja means what? Kamalama. They were given lotus. Andaj jayate. We have studied andaja. So here also da pratyaya is added. What are the other ja? Andaja and other three are what?
Vedaja, Rayuja,
Udbija, correct. Then agre jayate iti agrajaha, elder brother. So in all these cases, da pratyaya is added. Then gacha also. Atyanta dhva para sarvananteshu. I think it is 3 to 48. 3 to 48 is there. So there also da pratyaya is added. 3 to 48 you got it? I hope those who are seeing can see. Okay, let me conclude this topic and then we'll go. So adhvanam gacchati. Adhvan plus gam dhatu plus da. So adhvaga. Nakara lopa will happen, therefore adhvaga. Gam will become ga. Khe gacchati. Khagaha. Sukhena gacchati. Sugama. Suga. So moving very easily. Alright. So now next pratyaya is a kvip pratyaya, which we'll study in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.